All right, so to create a meal or a recipe, the things that you eat all the time, go down here to foods, click on that, and then hit create recipe. We can add whatever recipe name you need to remind yourself of what it is. And then here in the ingredients, you are going to add all of those pieces. So we have oatmeal, searching in the wrong place, oatmeal. We want to do 1 serving of oatmeal, which I know is 40 grams. And then let's say that you also like to have eggs. So we can add 2 eggs. And then boom, that's it. Anything else that you like to add to your oatmeal, add to your eggs, right? Your ketchup, the cooking spray that you use, the berries, the sweetener that goes into your oatmeal. If this is going to be just 1 serving, you don't need to do anything here. If you were, for example, though, to be doing a bulk recipe or something that would feed you multiple times, you would just put how many serving sizes that would equal. Here you can put any notes that you want to have to remember what the heck this is. And then you would hit save recipe here. I'm not going to hit save recipe because I already have a whole bunch. Oh, crap. Anyways, when you go to add that to your actual diary, you'll hit the plus button at the bottom, hit add food like you would normally, tab over to your custom tab. And then from here, you're going to find all of your custom recipes. For example, this is one of my breakfast go-to combos. I'm just having one of these servings, so I change it to 1. It's the full recipe, and all I have to do is hit add to diary, and it has the entire thing right here, nothing else that you have to do.